10th Science, Chapter 12, Electricity, Electrical Components and their Conventional Symbols. Hello students, let us recall what you have learned in your earlier video classes. Electric circuit. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Electric current. Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charges. Relation between charge and current. I is equal to Q divided by T. I electric current, Q electric charge, T time. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. 1 coulomb is equivalent to charge contained in nearly 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Electric current is expressed by a unit called ampere, denoted by capital letter A. Potential difference. Potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another. SI unit of potential difference is volt, denoted by capital letter V. Potential difference is measured by means of an instrument called the voltmeter. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. There are numerous important electrical components commonly found in the circuits of almost all peripherals. These components are building blocks of electrical circuits. These electrical components can be found in great numbers on motherboard, video card, hard disk, logic board and everywhere else in electrical gadget. Let's identify some commonly used components of electrical circuit. Connecting wire. A wire joint. Wires crossing without joining. An electric cell. A battery or combination of cells. Plug key or switch open. When plug key is open, no current flows through the circuit. Plug key or switch closed. When plug key is closed, current flows through the circuit. Electric bulb. Ammeter. An ammeter is a measuring instrument used to measure the current in a circuit. Voltmeter. A voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. Galvanometer. A galvanometer is an electromechanic instrument used for detecting and indicating an electric current. A resistor of resistance R. The resistor is a passive electrical component to create resistance in the flow of electric current. Variable resistance or rheostat. Rheostat is an electrical instrument used to control a current by varying the resistance. Symbols of electrical components. Conventional symbols used to represent some of the most commonly used electrical components. The first one, connecting wire, and is represented by following symbol. The second one, a wire joint and is represented by following symbol. Third one, wires crossing without joining and is represented by following symbol. An electric cell and is represented by following symbol. A battery or combination of cells and is represented by following symbol. A plug key or switch open and is represented by following symbol. A plug key or switch closed and is represented by following symbol. Electric bulb is represented by following symbol. A resistor of resistance R is represented by following symbol. Ammeter is represented by following symbol. Voltmeter is represented by following symbol. Galvanometer is represented by following symbol. Variable resistance or rheostat is represented by following symbols. A wire joint and is represented by following symbols. Wire crossing without joining and is represented by following symbol. Thank you.